The monsoon session of Parliament came to an end today with both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were adjourned sine die. The last day also saw ruckus from opposition who were demanding joint parliamentary committee probe into the special revision of Bihar's electoral rolls. Despite a logjam, the government managed to introduce 14 bills and secure the passage of 12, including the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025, the Manipur Appropriation No. 2 Bill 2025, Income Tax Bill, the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill, the National Sports Governance Bill, and the Online Gaming Regulation Bill. The Constitution 130th Amendment Bill, which seeks to decriminalize politics, was referred to a joint parliamentary committee. In his valedictory remarks in Lok Sabha, the Speaker expressed concern over the repeated use of placards and slogans, which he said amounted to a breach of parliamentary decorum. According to the Speaker, 120 hours had been allocated for discussion during the session, but only 37 hours were utilized due to repeated protests. Out of 419 start questions submitted, only 55 were answered. Meanwhile, in Rajya Sabha, the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 was passed amid the obstruction by opposition. The bill to ban the operation, facilitation, and advertising of online games played with money was passed by Rajya Sabha a day after it was cleared in the Lok Sabha. The legislation seeks to make online money gaming punishable by imprisonment of up to 3 years and/or a fine of up to 1 crore rupees. Later, the upper house was adjourned sine die after valedictory speech by Deputy Chairman Harivansh.